Just jump on now.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge, and in today's video I have my cousin, which is Janelle, and I have my brother Shaquille. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Are you ready for this channel?
Yep.
You think you can beat me, Janelle?
I'm not ask Jesus.
So you think you can eat noodle more than me, Janelle?
I'm not ask Christ.
So what you want to say, bossy?
You're not ready yet, man.
You not ready yet? So not ready? Oh, me not ready yet?
You're not ready yet.
Alright then. So now see the thing here? Noodle hot and spicy. See it here? So look here. When I go drink, when I come in have my milk, you know, so when I go drink, a water.
Jesus is
When I
my
go use the cool on the mouth.
Jesus.
We got this.
Anyway guys, we have our milk for when our mouth start burning. And guess what? This is not the regular spicy noodle challenge. This is 2 times spicy. What am I say?
2 times spicy.
I'm looking at you. Anyway guys, if you want to see this challenge, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and please leave me any questions or comments in the description bar below. So without any further talking, let's go. Alright, okie dokie pokey. So this is the sauce guys. Alright, this hot like a pepper them say. Ooh. I don't like the smell. Shakira, you have back out? That look like you have back out. You ready for back out? Eh? Alright. What is this? This is what? What is this?
It looks like this pepper seed. Whoa.
This is a spice? How is it? It's hot?
Jesus. I pray about this now.
Oh.
I pray about this.
Alright, I'm gonna mix up the thing. Oh, this is sesame seed with some, I don't know, herbs or something.
What deserve this, God?
It's burning my eyes, actually.
I know. You're not ready for this. Just chop out and call for this.
Me not poke, me not give up so easy. But just story my thing proper. Alright. It's ready. Alright, so we're gonna begin. Who is gonna do the countdown? You're not ready yet?
Yes.
Alright.
Not ready. Make you mix up. You think you
Mix up it some more.
Uh-oh. Not even if you're not listening up.
Alright guys, we're gonna begin in 1, 2.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Can I back out now?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Jesus. Me I deserve this.
Shit. Hey. Hey.
Just jump on now.
Ooh. Brother. No, brother.
Oh God.
It's really hot.
Oh.
You done?
Yeah, give up now. Yeah, give up now. Woo!
It's done right now. Where's it? Where's it? You're done.
Let that lose his master.
Let's go. Oh, oh my God. There's a little bit.
Yeah, give up. Give up now, Carly.
You have to look by how much food in the pot.
Carly, you know? Carly, man.
Get it bread.
You know? Carly, you know? You first Carly. No, master. Nah.
No milk challenge, sir. Yeah, but I don't want.
Nah, give up. Nah, give up. Alright, girl, I got this. I didn't know that one works.
No, brother. We don't know. You win, Gina. You win. So, guys, I don't know. I cannot explain this. My last words. I know that I expected it to be hot because I've watched other challenges, but this hot.
No, man, you see a person who do that, they deserve a trophy, like, no deserve.
This one for human being.
Oh,
I want you love food. Shaki, me think it up.
If you talk, I want to put my ears on like tooth enough for me. You cheat.
Jesus.
I didn't cheat. I did not cheat. But it hot.
I could make them win. I said, God, I'm near you, but
So, guys, I think we have a tie. It's between me and Janelle. So you guys let us know in the description bar below who won.
Come in.
Me think of me still, Janelle.
No, girl.
You me think of me?
No. I'm the winner.
Oh, you win.
You left me, man?
You drink half a milk, you know?
No, you left me at eat. Me that eat. I don't know about you. You are drink, me at eat.
Anyways, kudos to anyone who succeed with this challenge. Me think we have an epic feel. We feel bad. I too fat, me think of me too. We could have gone on further.
I feel. I Shaki me be disappointed.
Me disappointed. Trust me.
Me
Yeah, me sweet. Cause you love food, you know. You love your guts.
So you say that with you know?
Me?
Yes.
Yes. Me as a shaggy go win me. When I look and say jackpot, me say, man, I no competition yourself.
Anyway, guys, this was a good exercise. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.